Hello, this is Bob Maxon with the Windy City Motorcycle Group. We're here today to talk about this Silent Gray Fellow, as it's called. It's a 1910 Harley-Davidson Model 6. The 6 represents 6 horsepower back then. The cost of this motorcycle new was $210 in 1910. It has 28-inch wheels. It was also available in a shorter 26-inch, and had this one is a battery model. They were available with a magneto or a battery. It has the same frame and engine as the original #1 Harley-Davidson made in 1903. This is the last year for this frame configuration. One of the unusual things about this one is that the tank does not have straps. All the bikes prior had shiny stainless steel straps around the tank. This tank is mounted directly to the frame. This one has a new throttle type where the wire goes inside the handlebar to the carburetor. The previous one had a rod and a chain that was easy to snag. There's 2,302 of these made. The size of the engine is 34.6 cc's, which or cubic inches, which is 494 cc's. It's what's called an F head. It has a overhead valve intake and a side valve exhaust. Single cylinder belt drive. Harley did not start using chain drive until 1917. This lever here engages the belt, otherwise the bike can be pedaled. You can come down and look at our collection. We have 20 antique and collectible Harley-Davidsons on display. We are located at 9950 Joliet Road in Countryside. Thanks for watching.